Today's video is water jug problem. Water jug problem definition is you are given a 2-gallon jug, a 4-liter one and a 3-liter one. Neither has any measuring mark on it. There is a pump that can be used to fill the jug with water. How can you get exactly 2 liters of water into a 4-liter jug? This is your problem. See, listen carefully. The water jug problem, this is the 4-gallon jug. This is 3-gallon jug. 4-gallon jug, I measured as like this. 3-gallon jug, this is. No measuring mark on the jug. There is a pump to fill the jug with water. How can you get exactly 2 gallon of water into a 4-gallon jug? This is our problem. So state representation is X is represent the quantity of the water in the 4-gallon jug. That is X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y represent the quantity of the water in the 3-gallon jug. Y is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Then start state is equal to 0, 0 and our goal state is 2, 0. So start is, that is why empty I am shown. Here our goal is exactly 2 liter water in the 4-liter gallon jug. So 2, 0. Our operations, you can done empty a jug or fill a jug or pour a water from one jug to another jug. Next, this is the production rule. See, first we see these are the rules. I am written as 8 rules. So initial state is x comma y only. So now our description is description of the action, final state, condition. So from the description I will explain you. Fill the jug 1. Fill the jug 1 means 4 comma y. X is represented as in a 4-gallon jug. Y is represented as in a 3-gallon jug. So 4 comma y. For that, how will you write the condition? X less than 4. This is the rule number 1. Now rule number 2 is fill the jug 2. Fill the jug 2 is x comma 3. So y less than 3. That is our condition. Transfer all the water from jug 1 to jug 2. So from jug 1 to jug 2, x plus y. Here already the y is there. You are adding the x also. So for that you have to write the condition as x greater than 0 and x plus y less than or equal to 3. Next, rule number 4, transfer all the water from jug 2 to jug 1. From jug 2 to jug 1, so all the water y can be transferred to here. So x plus y comma 0. For that you have to write the condition as y greater than 0 and x plus y less than or equal to 4. Then rule number 5, transfer some water from the jug 1 to jug 2 until jug 2 is full. Jug 2 is full. So jug 2 is full 3. So some water you can transfer from jug 1 to jug 2. So 3 minus y. So x minus 3 minus y comma 3. So for that you have to write the condition as x greater than 0 and x plus y greater than or equal to 3. So listen, next one is rule number 6. Transfer some water from jug 2 to jug 1 until jug 1 is full. So jug 1 is full, 4 comma y minus 4 minus x. If y greater than equal to 0 and x plus y greater than or equal to 4. This is the condition. So rule number 7 is you are empty the jug 1. Empty the jug 1 is 0 comma y. That is x greater than or equal to 0. Then empty the jug 2, y greater than or equal to 0. This is the conditions. This is a description of the action. Next one, see, this is our solution. What they are given, 4 jug and 3 jug. So initially 0 comma 0. Now we fill the water in the jug 1. So that is why rule number 1 is applicable. So 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Then I am transfer some water from jug 1 to jug 2. So x comma y. Then that is 1 comma 3. Then I am empty the jug 2. empty the jug 2. So 1 comma 0. Now I am transfer the jug 1 to jug 2. So jug 1 to jug 2, that is 0 comma 1. Now I am filling the water for the jug 1. Then I pour the water jug 1 to jug 2. So finally I empty the jug 3. So you will get as an 2 comma 0. Our goal, you will reach our goal 2 comma 0. See, there is a two possible solution is there. See, one possible solution what I am shown is this one. This is the initial state is 0. So fill the jug with 4 liter of water, that is 4 comma 0. You have to apply the rule number 1. Fill the jug 1 and transfer the certain water from A to B. That is rule number 5. Transfer some water jug 1 to jug 2 until jug 2 is full. Okay, rule number 5 you have to apply. Then empty the jug B. Yeah, that is jug B. B means that is 3 jug 2. So empty the jug 2. Rule number 8 is applicable. Then transfer the water from A to B. Rule number 3 is applicable. Transfer all the water from jug 1 to jug 2. So 1 comma 0 that can be transferred to 0 comma 1. Now you fill the jug 1. So 4 comma 1. Rule number 1 is applicable. Then rule number 5. Transfer some water from jug 1 to jug 2 until jug 2 is filled. So you reach the goal 2. And empty the jug also we can done means 2 comma 0 will come. So you reach the goal. So like this another possible solution is also there. So another possible solution is initially the state is 0 comma 0. Then you fill the jug 2. First you filling the jug 2, that is rule number 2 is applicable. Then you transfer the jug 2 to jug 1, that is rule number 4 is applicable. Then fill the jug 2, that is rule number 2 is applicable. Then transfer some water jug 2 to jug 1 until jug 1 is full. So you get it as a 4 comma 2. Then rule number 7, empty the jug 1. Then rule number 4, transfer all the water jug 2 to jug 1. So these are the two possible solution to reach the 2 comma 0.